Hi, my name is Hussein Osman. I'm a product manager with Lattice Semiconductor. Today, I'm here to talk to you about Lattice sensAI stack. It's a flexible stack for enabling AI on smart IoT devices. The first demo here that I have to show you using the stack is a demo that detects different coffee pods. So we're taking an input from an image sensor, and then we're passing this input into a CNN accelerator that's part of the stack. So when I put a coffee pod that's being pre-registered as coffee pod number 0, as you see in the screen, it's registered, it's showing up as coffee pod 0. Now, if I move that coffee pod out and put the next coffee pod in, this being registered as number 1, and you can see that class ID has turned to 1. For more information regarding Lattice sensAI stack, go visit our website, latticesemi.com. Thank you.